There you go. Now I look like a complete idiot, but at least you can see what I see being in the driver position of the E63s AMG. I just hope that you'll be able to see enough of what's going on. So we are into the cabin of the E63s, and you can see that it's really luxurious and very sporty with all this leather and carbon fiber. So let's go. We are in let's go in Sport Plus. There you go. Let's go in manual. Wonder why people is looking at me. Is it the car, or is it because I look idiot with that GoPro in my forehead, or maybe both? Okay, please, no slow car in the tunnel, please. There you go, there's a slow car. Of course. I'm gonna wait here. Tunnel in front. I can't have enough of this. It's never enough. It can't be enough. Don't know if you see the head-up display in front of me. Jesus, it's so brutal. It is so brutal. Wow. I love it. This car has so much character, so much personality. I don't want to go back to my Audi. Wow, what to say? There's nothing more to say. I don't want to keep repeating myself, but again, this car is so addictive. I mean, you just want to drive, you just want to go on, go on. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. Jesus. 0 to 100 in 3.4. And I think they're right. They're absolutely right. That was insanely fast. And now let's just move to comfort. No, race not. I won't go race unless I'm in a racetrack. Let's go comfort, automatic gearbox, and then you can see and feel that the car quiets down and become a very comfortable Mercedes sedan. Quite silent in the cabin. Going at 50 kilometers an hour with this car is like going in slow motion. It's like like put yourself on pause. As said before, the only time where I have experienced a kind of sensation like I have with this car is when I drove the Tesla P100D. I remember accelerating was just insanely fast, but again, I'm still not ready to give up on the exhaust noise, on the gearbox, and all these little things that makes driving a car like this an incredible experience. Let's try to accelerate in comfort mode to see how it is. Wow, still good. Still absolutely fast. Wow, 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 wow. I need to calm down. I need to chill. But driving this car, believe me, it's really something. Wow. I don't understand how some American YouTubers buy these as a daily driver and saying that they are not happy with the car, they want to sell it. I mean, come on. This would be the pinnacle for me. Would be the ultimate car for me. Okay, it is what it is.